Skip to main content. Scientific American. $1 for 90 days January 28, 2025 5-minute read. Celebrate Lunar New Year with 7 snake facts. In honor of the Year of the Snake, let's appreciate the strange anatomy and evolution of these slithery reptiles. By Alison Parshall, edited by Dean Visser. Blue snake coleed on branch against black background. Blue insularis snake. Ixon Johanda/Getty Images. Animals. As the new moon rises this week, it ushers in a new year on the lunar calendar used by many cultures across East and Southeast Asia. On the Chinese zodiac's 12-year lunar cycle, 2025 is the year of the snake, an animal that symbolizes wisdom and change. These limbless reptiles can be found on every populated continent, thanks to an evolutionary Big Bang some 125 million years ago. There are more than 3,000 snake species, with incredible variation among them. Some of the animals are smaller than an earthworm, while others are longer than a pickup truck. Some are harmless to humans, whereas others are venomous. And the ecological roles they play as critical pest controllers and nutrient cyclers are often underappreciated. So as we look to the year ahead, let's give our odd, wriggly friend some appreciation. Shimmying serpents. Snake's signature move is the slither. But they can also scrunch forward like an inchworm or launch themselves from a coiled position to leap or strike. And a few years ago scientists discovered another, stranger method of snake movement: lasso locomotion. Researchers were testing ways to keep brown tree snakes away from birds' nests in Guam. They put wide metal cylinders at the bottom of poles, expecting this to deter the snakes, which generally need to wrap themselves twice around a pole or tree trunk to climb it with their normal, accordion-like, concertina locomotion. Instead, the team found that snakes were literally tying themselves into knots to surpass the barriers. The reptiles would wrap their tail just once around the barrier and then hook the tip around their body. This created a sort of lasso shape that the snakes could use to shimmy up the pole, ever so slowly but effectively. Thermal vision pythons, boas, pit vipers, and more can hunt in total darkness. They sense prey animals not only by smell but also by the heat their quarry emanates. These snakes' so-called pit organs enable them to see this heat. The organs act like a thermal camera that allows the reptiles to home in on a target. Curated by our editors. Fossilized snake vertebrae and illustration of snake. This nearly 50-foot snake was one of the largest to slither the earth. Rhys Williams' black mamba snake with open mouth. This new antivenom defangs the toxins of cobras, black mambas and more. Cassandra Williard brown tree snake. Brown tree snakes twist themselves into lassos to climb. Stephanie Papa's dog in orchard sniffing plant. These dogs can sniff out invasive species before it's too late. Gennaro Tama pit organs are membrane-covered divots near a snake's nostrils. Infra.